Region 3. So when I was assigned last night to give insights, dito po ako kinabahan. Kasi hindi ko alam paano ko sasabihin yung aking appreciation. So for the training, please, I will introduce to you the acronym SCIENCE, since we are science educators. S for structured thinking. Very well structured po yung mga presentation, yung mga training. C for cultivating higher order thinking skills. All of the activities are all hands-based. And I, integrating language across scientific literacy. E, engineering design process of 4 eyes. So yung mga binabanggit ko po yung talagang naka-impact po sa akin. No, at yung natutunan talaga natin na bago. So, and for navigating innovation, digital tools and AI in education. C, conscious reflection through metacognitive awareness. And E, empowering learners through the circum format design of lesson exemplar and worksheet. It's a memorable experience for me to present to you the collaborative effort of our group for the lesson exemplar and worksheets. Notice, science is not just a subject, it's a mindset. Through the framework of the training, we teachers can transform our classroom into an extraordinary laboratory of thought, creativity, and innovation. We don't just teach facts, we cultivate thinkers, problem solvers, and future leaders. And this is how I define and describe the training. But for our resource speakers, let me introduce to you the CERCA format. C for compassion. Very compassionate po ang ating mga speakers. You transmit us the knowledge. You nurture our minds with scientific tools. E for giving us empowerment. Na-empower po kami sa mga strategies, sa approach, sa mga methods na binigay niyo sa amin. You give us tools to think, reflect, innovate, improve, revise, integrate the strategies and these tools. R for 2, rewarding, but resilience. So the knowledge you give or share to us, encourage us resiliency in teaching, but I think these strategies you shared are rewarding. What's challenge po sa aming science educators, how can we share this and how can we use this in our classroom? But if we will be successful in doing this, it is rewarding. V for vision. Vision is seeing beyond the curriculum into the future of possibility. We must envision classroom where, for example, AI is not a threat but a partner in education. The cognition and the mental modeling, the PEOE, EDP framework, and the language strategies that you've shared are tools for lifelong learning. C stands for collaboration. We build collaboration in this training. Collaboration transforms isolated learning into our collective intelligence. Ang dami pong matatalino, ang dami pong magagaling sa grupo. At nagpapasalamat po ako doon. In this training, we build learning ecosystems that are inclusive and dynamic. And A for accountability. This is my challenge. Accountability is not about control. It's about commitment for growth. As a resource speakers and educators, kayo po, we must hold ourselves accountable to evidence-based practice. And I like that sharing of patents man. That meant kasi po as a science teacher, one of our goal is to conduct investigatory project research. And how do we make children or students proud of their own work pag po hindi namin alam yung patent nito? That means grounding our work in science attitude research, assessing the impact of HOTS and EDP, and continuously refining our methods. It also means being transparent, not only accountable, reflective and open to any feedback. To NAEAP staff po, maraming salamat sa ating mga resource speakers, Ma'am Annalyn S. Lee, sorry for the Miss Isahon, Sir Christopher Palisca, Ma'am Alicia Hanaza, Ma'am Elsie Mayo, Ma'am Marisol Jacobe, and to Ma'am Lourdes Arguelles, no? You keep our minds very full and also our stomach. Thank you for sustaining our needs and providing our needs here. And also Sir Benjo, hindi ko po makakalimutan yung tinulog ng akin. Sir Benjo. Thank you very much. This is my insight.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Janet. Now, let us hear another